Last Friday, the euro area published preliminary estimates of PMI indexes, which turned out to be quite weak. However, the euro and the pound sterling managed to rise despite downbeat figures. The fact is that in the United States, the same indexes were much worse than in Europe. It may signal the imminent approach of a recession. However, the bearish pressure persists on a Forex because of the rate gap between other central banks and the Fed. It's quite bullish for the US dollar. Besides, the rate gap is likely to widen even more. On Wednesday, the Fed is expected to raise the benchmark rate by 75 basis points. The regulator may also undertake a similar rate hike at the September meeting. The pace of monetary tightening adopted by the ECB is much slower, so currencies are likely to be hovering at the operating levels until the FOMC meeting. The economic calendar will remain almost empty today and tomorrow. This is why only sudden political news could stir up market volatility. As seen on the chart, the EURUSD pair is trading in the narrow range of 1.0150 and 1.0270. The price has been stuck in the flat for a long time, which may indicate a market uncertainty. At the same time, it may also signal the accumulation of trading forces, which will eventually lead to new price swings. And in this case, it's better to stick to the breakout strategy. If the price consolidates above 1.0280 on the forward chart, it's recommended to open long positions. Traders should consider short positions if the pair drops below 1.0115 on the forward chart. The GBP-USD pair has been fluctuating along the psychologically important level of 1.20 for a week, with a slight deviations from the main range of 1.1950 and 1.2050. Currently, the pound sterling is following the movement of the euro, which is also trading flat, so taking into account the positive correlation. If the euro breaks out of the narrow range, the pound sterling will do the same. There could be an increase in the short positions if the price declines below 1.1950. Alternatively, the bulls will regain the upper hand if the price holds above 1.2050 on the forward chart. How we're going to be in the short term, we will definitely tell you in our next news releases. Don't miss them and stay up to date with us. See you soon.